Ever felt like maintaining stable glucose levels is like walking a tightrope? Imagine trying to balance between the high wire of dietary restrictions and the low wire of regular exercise. It's a tightrope walk that can feel unsteady, unpredictable, and often quite daunting. You're constantly on the lookout for anything that might tip you over. That extra slice of cake at a party, missing a workout session, or even the stress of everyday life. It's a continuous process, a never-ending balancing act that requires constant vigilance. And let's be honest, it can be exhausting. The frequent doctor visits, the countless pricks for blood sugar tests, the constant worry about health. It's a struggle many people face daily. It's a constant high-wire act, with the fear of falling off always looming. But what if there was a way to simplify this tightrope walk? Welcome Sugar Defender, a natural supplement meticulously designed to balance your glucose levels. Unlike regular supplements, Sugar Defender is a real trailblazer. It's formulated from a concoction of the finest elements nature has to offer, including Eleuthero, which boosts energy and combats fatigue, Coleus that aids in fat burning, maca root that supercharges your energy, African mango, a potent fat-burning ingredient, guarana that triggers your metabolism, gymnema, which bolsters a healthy heart and maintains blood sugar, ginseng that supports balanced blood glucose, and chromium, which fights obesity and reduces blood pressure. All these ingredients are free from GMO and side effects, empowering you to wrestle back the control over your health. What sets Sugar Defender apart? It's all about how it's taken. The supplement is conveniently available in a liquid form, making it perfect for hassle-free consumption and quick outcomes. But its benefits stretch beyond glucose stabilization. Sugar Defender also fortifies your immunity, fosters cardiovascular wellness, and paves the way for a healthier lifestyle. It's about feeling healthier, reducing health-related concerns, and minimizing the need for recurrent doctor visits. But don't just trust our claim. Hear from those who've walked the tightrope and found balance with Sugar Defender. Meet Sarah, a mother of 3 who had been struggling with fluctuating glucose levels for years. After starting Sugar Defender, she noticed an incredible improvement in her mood and overall health. She said, "I feel more balanced and in control now. I've even lost a few pounds." Then there's John, a passionate cyclist who's seen a significant boost in his metabolism. "Sugar Defender has given me more energy," he exclaimed. "I can ride longer and harder than before, and I don't have to worry about my sugar levels dropping abruptly." And it's not just Sarah and John. Thousands of people around the globe are living healthier, happier lives thanks to Sugar Defender. They're enjoying the benefits of stabilized glucose levels, enhanced immunity, and improved cardiovascular health, all without any side effects. Impressive, isn't it? But there's more. Sugar Defender is not just about promises, it's about guarantees. We understand that everyone is unique, and so are their health needs. That's why Sugar Defender offers a solid money-back guarantee. If you find that the supplement doesn't meet your expectations, or you're not satisfied for any reason, don't worry. Simply reach out to our dedicated customer service team through the official website and request a refund. No fuss, no hurdles, just a straightforward process. Remember, it's vital to purchase Sugar Defender from the official website. This ensures you're getting the original, high-quality product that can deliver the best results. Don't risk your health on knockoffs or unverified sellers. Stabilizing your glucose levels doesn't have to be a struggle. With Sugar Defender, you can take control of your health and start living life on your terms. So why not take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle? Try Sugar Defender today and experience the difference.